Hi, my name is Ivan Urias, real estate advisor from Coldwell Bank Riveras, and I'm here to show you this unique property in the city of La Paz, Mexico, Rancho Las Brumas. Please follow me. Rancho Las Brumas location is a blessing for those who seek the contrast of living between a peaceful remote place and the comfort city lifestyle of South Baja. It is only 10 minutes from the Malecon and 5 minutes from the airport. This beautiful ranch has many amenities to enjoy. The Main Casa that features an indoor terrace. On the other side, we have bungalow-style fishermen's quarters that feature furnished guest houses, fully stocked workshop, laundry room, storage room, and 2 garages. And for those sunny, warm days, a Great Palapa Pool Bar with its own swimming pool and jacuzzi to enjoy with friends and family. A one-of-a-kind 2-story wooden cabin with balconies built to enjoy the stunning views of the surrounding nature. What makes this ranch so special, it's its own private well that guarantees almost unlimited water supply to fulfill all your needs during the whole year. Certainly, this ranch can serve many purposes for those who love horses, livestock, agriculture, and also for those who want to invest in the hospitality industry. Thank you for joining us today. I am Ivan Urias. Please contact us for further information. We will be more than happy to assist you. See you soon.